This video will demonstrate how to combine an Excel column with a Sage 100 data query, such that the Excel data entered into adjacent cells will stay with the same Sage 100 record on which they were entered. Use the link in the description to download the example for this exercise. Also, in the ABC company, add an item code 1000 with any description and product line. The first step to creating a self-referencing query is to select anywhere in the Excel table, which will have included the added personal notes column by default. The second step is to create another table from these combined rows, and this is done by selecting the data menu and from table/range. You are now in Power Query with two queries showing in the left window segment. The original CI item query and a second with a parenthesized "to" suffix. The third step is to immediately return to Excel using the Close and Load To option. In the Import Data dialog, the fourth step, select Only Create Connection and click OK. The fifth step is to re-edit the CI item table, like we did in step 2. Select anywhere in the table, use the Query menu, click the Edit button. The sixth step is back in the Power Query editor. Ensure that the CI item query is selected in the left pane, and select the Merge Queries button. If you have a smaller screen, you'll have a Combine button, and then you'll see Merge Queries. The seventh step is in the Merge Queries dialog box. CI item should be showing in the top area. Select the column header for item code. Below the CI item display is a drop-down selector. You'll select the second CI item table and also select the item code header. Then click OK. The eighth step is to add the personal notes column to the CI item query by selecting the Merged Queries step at the bottom of the applied steps under Settings, and then select the Expand button. But if the query settings are not displayed, under the View menu, you will see a Query Settings button. After the query settings is available, use the rightmost column's expansion button to display the available columns in the second CI item. The ninth step is to uncheck all columns checkbox and select only personal notes. Uncheck the original column name as prefix and click OK. The 10th and last step is to click the Close and Load button on the Home menu. When the data is displayed, you may see an additional column at the far right with a "to" suffix. Select that column and delete it. Now, test your spreadsheet by adding additional notes. Deleting the top row and refreshing the data with Refresh All, and make sure that the added notes remain on the correct rows, and they do. Thank you for watching.